I need coffee now.
Okay, hi. So, had our coffee, had our little taking notes and stuff, and I figured out what I want to do. But first, before we jump in, I need to change something. So, I've had to do this for a while now, but while I do this, I just want to say hi. What's up? Good to see you. Thanks for joining in. Okay, so I had an idea. I thought it'd be really cool, and this is the plan. So it's like, hey, let me ask Instagram for some help. You give me my next project idea. Well, some people kind of reached out. There weren't bad ideas. It was just that I wanted one project. Instead, I got a bunch of small. I was gonna scrap the idea and just continue, but I was like, wait, this would be really cool. I'm gonna make 3 different gifts for 3 different people. I'm gonna make your gift. But you're not gonna know I'm making your gift after you've watched this video. Caveat is I know these people, so it's easier for me to do this. But I would love more people to get involved. So go to my Instagram, follow me, and then I'm gonna be doing these things because I just think they're a lot of fun. I get to know you, you get to know me, and you know, you get free little gifts. This is still doing here. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue a bunch of blocks in a big block. I have a bunch of scraps. Boom, 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 boom. And then I'm going to drill the hole, okay? And then I'm going to cut off all the pieces to make some sort of organic looking mug. In reality, it's a pencil holder. Next project is a picture frame. It's gonna be cute, and then I'm gonna have someone, which is really awesome calligrapher. She happens to be my sister, so I get free stuff, so that's awesome. The third person, the idea is do a card holder. So what I had in my mind is to kind of do something like this, and then it'll be like a block. So it'll be 2 pieces over here, and so it'll be a little bit thick, you know. And then you can take out your card from there and whatever. Second will be a little block, and then that block is gonna have a little slit over here, so when you put your card or picture or whatever. That's what I had in my mind. I wasted a bunch of paper, so we're gonna have to put pause. Anywho, we're just gonna jump right in. We left off gluing this big hunkin' piece of wood. I'm going to move on to the second project, which is going to be the card holder for, actually was it 2? I don't know, whatever. I'm gonna do the card as my second project. if it looked like I was jumping around, well, that's because I was. I was trying to do as much as I can. So while one was drying, I was jumping to the next. I have this protective layer on the lens just for dust. Anywho, so it's a new day. I'm happy with, not really. I wasn't really happy with the projects that I made yesterday. I thought I would get much more done, but that's okay. It's a new day. So now while that dries, I'm gonna move on to project number 3, which is the picture frame. Because I needed 2 pieces of glass, I went to Goodwill, boom, picked it up. I bought a whole new ugly picture frame. So I'm gonna make it better, and I'm gonna get the dimensions off the glass. Tonight we're finishing these projects, and then tomorrow we're sending them out. So I'm really excited. Decided not to do a in-depth kind of step-by-step while I make the picture frame, just because, you know, I made a couple of videos with that. You should totally check it out. Anywho, let's figure out shipping wise, and that's it. Everyone that's receiving this, I hope you enjoy it. That's it. Simple as that. Finished. We shipped the projects out. I hope they arrived safely, because that would kind of be annoying if they're all broken. But by far one of my favorite projects. I am excited to for you guys to find out. Well, you, Sonder, David, Yana, I'm excited for this surprise. It's funny, they don't actually know this is happening. I really like how the projects turn out, except David's. I'm sorry, it's just not to BeeNeh standard. It's not better than good. So I'm gonna remake you one, but just enjoy this one while I make the other one. Sonder, excited, really happy with those business card thingies. It's pretty smart. I should do that for myself. Yana, this is a little present for you, a housewarming gift, I guess. It's small, it's cute, it's simple. Also, congrats on the marriage, on the wedding. Last but not least, thank you to my awesome sister for hooking me up with that stunning calligraphy. Honestly, it made the project. So Yana, thank Guinness, not me. So that's a wrap. I'm happy. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be BeeNeh.